Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today again we are going to watch the new baby girl embroidery hoop. So let's get started. So here I have taken the pink theme. So I have just taken 8025 thread number and started creating first the welcome Samriddhi. So let's get started in creating that. So just see, like I have just used one stitch over here, that is in satin stitch. So I did the satin stitch all over here. So this is how I did it. So I created a satin stitch on all over the outline that I've created. The tips to do it is you have to be do on the only on the outlines, then the letters come really very beautiful. So you have to just keep doing the satin stitch over all the outlines. How you want to do it, like in the WI, you can twist it. You can first do the vertical lines, then do the rounding part. So it's on up to you that how you want to create it. So it's all on you. So you can see in the following video I have just used the same satin stitch pattern, and then I have written welcome, and then Samriddhi liked it. So please watch my full video till. So again you can see here. So this is how I'm creating it, so you just watch it. And again I just to remind you, that's my custom, like the theme for this is pink again, as it was a new baby girl embroidery. So I just used first here the darker shade of a pink, and then I'll using it, mixing it with the lighter shades also. So this is how I created this. So now I'll be just finishing it through the satin stitch of the welcome, and then Samriddhi like it. So doing the satin stitch, I have created this whole the later embroidery. So this is it. So meet you in the next video. Till then, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care guys.